Hi children, today we will be making colorful flowers stuck on a green stem with beautiful long leaves. For that you will need 2 green A4 sheet paper, then circle of similar length. This I have taken 1 centimeter radius. You can take 1.5 centimeter radius as well and make circle shape like this. Around 30 to 40 you can cut and keep. After that you will make some cuttings and sticking. For that you will need scissor and Fevistick glue. First you will cut it till the center like this and stick with Fevistick glue at the cut portion end like this. Then stick it in a conical shape in this way. I'll show one more. Take the circle, cut it till the center, then apply Fevistick glue near the cut portion, then take the other portion and stick it over it like this. Like this, similarly you will do both. Like this we will make around 30 to 40 colorful flowers like this. Now we will keep this aside and we will make the stem. For that we will cut one green sheet like this. And cut it like this. We have cut one sheet. Then from here we will start rotating it so that we get the stem perfectly. Like this we will make the paper roll of stem. Till the end and stick it with Fevistick glue at the end. We'll make it little thicker so that we can stick the flowers one by one. Like this we finished making the stem. We can cut the ends here and here. Now we will make some dots with Fevicol. One by one. First you will apply dot here. Two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We will stick it one by one. Like this. Carefully stick it underneath one by one. You will get colorful design. Till the end we will stick. Now similarly other side also we will apply Fevicol and stick the petals or the flowers. Stick it one by one. One over here, other one over here. Use different colors. Like this we finish sticking the other flower set. Now here we will stick the third one. Apply Fevicol here as we applied before. And stick it one by one. In the gap we will stick it one by one very neatly and carefully. Like this we have made colorful flower pattern. Now we will wait for it to dry. After that we will make the leaf. For making the leaf we will take this A4 sheet paper, then fold it like this, then again fold it, then once again we will fold it, and once more. Then we will draw the design of leaf. Like this, one small leaf pattern and one bigger one. Now we will cut it using scissors. Like this. We got one leaf. The other one also we will cut it similar. Like this we got one small leaf pattern and bigger leaf pattern. We will make a slit at the end so that we can stick it neatly. Here one cutting and here also one slit so that we can stick it nicely. Now one by one we will start sticking the leaf. Here we will apply Fevicol one end, then stick the leaf, now other one also we will stick it on top of it. There is glue already, we will stick it on top like this. Similarly, we will stick all the other leaves. Like this, we finish sticking the leaves one by one. This is the last leaf we are going to stick. Apply it neatly, then place it, then rotate the slit one over the other, and the other one on top of it. Like this, we finished sticking all the leaves. If you want, you can make some curves with the leaves. With this pen like this, you can make some roll so that you get curved leaf. Here also you can roll the leaves so that you get some nice effects of the leaves texture. Like this. Thank you for watching this video, children. Hope you enjoyed making the colorful flowers with leaves stem. Do try this at home and send it to me in my mobile number. Meet you in next class. Stay home, stay safe, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.